all we gotta do is just slap the intake in, connect the tube, and then we're gonna swap the bumpers out, I guess. Oh, we gotta change the oil still too.
Which part do you put the calibration in?
Oh, it's a Tomahawk.
Oh, it's already on there?
Yeah.
So.
It's a... Whipple just emails you the file. You put it on the SD card. Put it in the tool. Hook it up to the truck, power on, and hit next.
And that's it?
There's instructions too. And then with that tool, once you flash the truck, you can actually change your tire size, which in this case, you already changed the wheel size, and the speedometer's a little bit off. You can change the tire size, and you can use this tool to like check for any OBD codes.
Oh, that's cool.
Not any, but like PCM side. So.
No, that's really cool. Yeah, didn't have that in my day.
Really?
Right, they only came out. Good one. Good one. Shoot, I shouldn't have said that.
So we're pulling fuse 49, putting it in here. Just putting this into the fuse 49 spot.
Oh, that's baller.
And that's it.
Nothing to it.
That way, as soon as you key on, the pump starts cycling. I learned that the hard way, actually. I left my ignition on a dyno on my GT350 for 10 minutes, and it killed the battery.
Gotcha.
And then there's power, and then there's a ground. And then the other end goes all the way down to the pump.
Which is nice to secure to the frame. Send it.
Already pre-assembled, ready to go.
Perfect. Everything original?
No.
That's what I thought.
I've got a list of everything that I've done. Now, I changed the steering wheel, leather lariat. Put the console there out of an STX. I put sun visors with, mirrors.
Radar detector.
I see that. That's the first thing I saw.
I changed out that centerpiece there so I could have a place for my sunglasses.
Gotcha. Oh, it's a really
I'd really
well.
like to change the door panels to the next grade up.
Gotcha.
Door panels. And eventually I'll do the seats leather.
Did you do the riding line yourself or the truck?
Factory,
Yeah, that's $1,500 for that.
Yeah.
That's not
That
cheap
was a
either.
factory option as well.
That's really good, no?
And then I'm gonna line the bumper up to the grill because I don't know where it's supposed to be. Right?
Yep, Roger. How many inches do you have this thing dropped?
5 in the rear, 3 in the front.
Awesome. What suspension brand did you use?
Ride Tech.
Right Tech?
Yeah, and then I've done the Ride Tech rear sway bar and the Ride Tech traction bars as well.
Awesome.
Alright, going down.
This is baller. How's it going? Is it done yet?
84%.
84%.
The lights will come on when it's done.
Oh.
No store DTCs, which tells me that everything's been plugged in.
Correct.
We're ready to start it. So now what you want to do is cycle the key a few times, build pressure at the rev.
This thing.
Don't worry about it for now. Yeah, you can just put it up here for now.
So we're good on coolant?
1 4 This is your original oil cap.
You see your file name calibration. Let's bring down diagnostics one more time. Boom, read DTC, no star codes. Test drive time.
So 2 mile normal driving, check codes, and then wide open.
Wide open throttle. Okay.
Go wide open with the traction on, and then turn it all the way off and do it again.
Four-wheel drive there, right?
Yeah. Yeah. All-wheel drive. You can do either one. Just be ready.
Yeah.
Just be ready.
The screen is awesome. You have like a whole TV in here.
It's great to not have those codes popping up because those sensors is unhooked on the back bumper for a long time. So we're not in sport mode yet.
No.
I wonder if we should put it in sport mode.
Just do this a little bit of regular driving for now. That's what I'll do. Just feel the truck, make sure that nothing, nothing major or minor, anything is happening. All the gauges are all good. Everything.
Seems to be.
Everything's
I've always got it in sport mode, so I'm not used to it shifting real low RPMs like that.
Well, go ahead and shift it to
It
sport
don't
mode.
make no difference.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Right or left?
Let's go right, and then we're gonna take a left at that big intersection over there. Okay. Where we're gonna get on 26, and that's where we're gonna launch it. Then there is a little, I think like a rest area there. We can pull off, and then we can do another launch.
Like this. Ready?
I'm ready. How'd that feel?
Not that impressed.
Not that, huh?
No, I figured it'd do a lot more now.
Now let's try it in two-wheel drive. Rest area, get off here. And then let's check codes and do two-wheel drive. We read codes. Diagnose. Let's roll. Let's continue. Alright, so we can actually just stop here for a second, let them pass, and then we'll do a launch.
It's probably gonna blow the tires.
Well, let's just... Alright, let's roll. Now that was... What'd you think about that one there?
Decent. I've had a lot of fast cars, I think, so it takes a lot to impress me.
That was a good pull, man.
I think I can handle a couple hundred more horse.
Here we go again. Awesome. Love to hear that, man.
But, hey, it does pretty good.
This thing doesn't feel anything. When you'll be driving through an overpass.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Not too shabby. Exhaust sounds different.
And it held the ground really good.
Yeah, the truck seems to hook quite well.
Really nice. It's just like, seems like it's like stuck to the ground, yeah?
This little thing handles, I mean...
Jeez, that's good. Wow.
It don't handle like a four-wheel drive, no body roll at all.
Damn. That was impressive. That was impressive. Thank you, Brian. That was nice.
I mean, like regular little back roads and stuff, this thing actually is funner to drive than my CT5V Blackman Cadillac. It really is funner to drive.
It's amazing how you can build these little trucks, huh? What you can do out of them. Guess who's back?
I don't see any damage on the truck. That's good. I can hear you guys pulling out though.
Unplug this thing here now.
Yeah, check it one more time. Pop the hood. I'll check the fluid. Right. Not an issue.
Okay. That's leveled really nice.
That's good. This is nothing. Good. Very good. I'll probably put a few drops in there.
Done, Igor? How was the job, man? What were you gonna say? Overall, give us something.
I don't know. The bumpers look good though, but it took some time. So it probably took as long to install the bumpers and stuff.
Then to do the supercharger. Yeah, that's what it seemed like. That's for sure. But it does look sick. It holds the road. I mean, this thing sticks to the ground like insane.